Look at that. Right on top of the 88 F-150 frame. The 96 frame's on top, and I think the 96 frame's probably done. This happened last night from all the freezing rain. The tree branches got too heavy and that big limb right from there broke off. Right on top of the truck frames. Let's hope them truck frames survived. It's still creaking out here. These things, there might be more to break down still. Welcome to T-Rad's Trucks and Stuff, where today my trees are falling down on my pickup. At least the frame of it anyway. Not very good. So all the trees are falling down right now. All the ice on them built up too much, and it's just way too heavy for everything. You can hear them breaking all in the distance. We got about 3 or 4 more hours before it warms all the way up to +9 Celsius, and all this will melt off. So this is a big danger zone until then. We're gonna just watch for more fallen branches for now. Well, I think the tree branches are done falling for the day. It's supposed to just get warmer and warmer the rest of the day until all this ice melts off. But I haven't seen a branch fall in a couple hours, so. You can still hear creaking out there though. I'm gonna take the chainsaw to her, get her the pieces off the roof there, get it away, and then we'll figure out how we're gonna bring this down. And then we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a little inspection in those truck frames. The bottom one might be okay. The one on top, I think she's bent. I think she's bent good in a couple spots. But we'll get it cleared up a little bit so we can look at that. So I better get at her. So I got it cleared away. That one branch there's got pressure on it, so I couldn't cut that away yet. And now we'll get in and we'll tackle what to do with this portion here, how to get through there and not drop that down too violently. Look at the size of the ice balls on these trees. We're getting really close to springtime, so this tree wasn't expecting that. It really snuck up on it. It sprouted all these little bud guys, and now they got big giant golf ball size ice cubes on them. Plus all the branches. This got way too heavy. As you can see, there's ice everywhere. And ice just falling from the sky. Look at how bent over the branches are. Crazy! This guy right here, I think he came down with a wachow karate chop. right on the corner of that frame. Because when we get back here, look, can you notice the twist in that thing? Wow. Yeah, she's got a bad twist in there, all right. And there's still branches hanging all over up there, ready to fall down. We're just staying a little bit away, but we gotta get this out of the way and check on that pickup. This motor, that's my single overhead cam 4-liter, only inches away of getting chopped right in the intake manifold. Now I don't want this thing swinging out or doing nothing crazy when I go to cut it away at the top from the house there. So I'm going to put this in here as a little support. Oh, that'll help us stay a little safer here while we cut this part down. Come on over in here. Let's go check out the frame. Don't worry, it's safe. It's only chunks of ice falling from the sky. They're only coming from the trees. So that's the biggest part there. Probably about 12 inches around. There's this other branch that fell down on the back side there. But wow, I can't help but think that frame just looks twisted on the back. As for the one under there, maybe not, I don't know. What do you think? Is she gonna be any good? Look at under when we go under in here. So you can see it hit hard enough to make that paint pop off there. There's a bend right there. That's in the upper frame. Oh, and that kinked way down on that upper 96 F-150 frame. I don't know, this one maybe it made it. Handled the fall of the tree. We'll see. That was a rough one. That's a hard one for her. Is it bent or is it safe? Because I put that piece of wood right over top of all the cross member, the leaf spring bracket, everything right there. That's a strong area to get a bend in. Wow, that freezing rain knocking the tree down like that, that's just crazy. I didn't expect that at all. But, put some comments in, what do you think? That's my 88 F-150 frame there with the wheels on it. And that one's important, it's in my name, it's insured, registered, everything. That's one of my good trucks. The cab's inside, we just got the Texas box for it. If that baby's bent, that is gonna be a bummer right there. We don't want that. The 96 F-150 frame What do you think about that? Like, I'm a steel fabricator. I may be able to straighten that. But that frame, it kind of does look a little wonky, don't you think? We got lots of firewood now. Yep, very nice. Welcome to springtime in Ontario. Well, we're almost to the end here. She even slid off on the right side into the driveway when I was overcutting the backside there. So just that little bit to get through, and then I got a hell of a load for that Ranger over there. That was a good one. Only got hit by one ice cube. Well, that'll do it for T-Bad's trucks and stuff today. Oh, I'm locked out. Okay, now where to put all this stuff? I'll see you next time when I'm able to get the cover there off them truck frames and get a real good look. Right now there's too much ice on it, I can't get it off. But I'm gonna check it out and I'll get back to you on that one. So have a good one.